Design and build: glass front, ceramic shield, color-infused glass back, aluminum frame, IP68 water, dust resistance. Dimensions: 147.60 x 71.60 x 7.80 millimeters, weighs approximately 170 grams. Display: 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED, 60 Hz refresh rate, ~1179 x 2556 resolution, approximately 460 to 461 pixels per inch. Brightness: typical approximately 1000 nits, peak ~2000 nits in outdoor, HDR conditions. Chipset: Apple A18, 3nm, hexa-core CPU, 5-core GPU. RAM and storage: 8GB RAM, storage options, 128GB, 256GB, 512GB. Rear camera: dual cameras, 48 megapixels main, wide, with sensor shift OIS, plus 12 megapixels ultra-wide. Front camera, 12 megapixels true depth, supports autofocus, Face ID. Video, up to 4K at 60 FPS, standard video modes, HDR, cinematic features. Battery life and charging: battery life improved versus prior model, wired charging, wireless, MagSafe and Qi 2, etc. Exact MA not officially confirmed. Price: starts in India at ~***rupee 54,999 ** for base variant. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to TechInfoTube.